channel. So in today's video I have another Temu haul for you guys. If you guys been watching my videos, you know I am absolutely obsessed with Temu. A lot of you guys watch my videos, my Temu videos. So since I noticed that they're very popular, I'm gonna keep bringing videos like this to you guys because I love it. I'm like obsessed. You guys have no idea. I'm so obsessed with Temu right now. And I know they advertise it everywhere. You see it on ads. But it's for a good reason. Like, this is not a scam or anything. They are legit. And I can say this from experience. I'm going to tell you guys this. This is the reason why it excites me. Is because a lot of these pieces that I'm going to show you, they actually have the exact same thing on Amazon. And Amazon is like double or more the price of these. And that's why I go crazy with Temu, because I'm just blown away. And I can say this because there's one item that I actually got from Amazon. I got some from Temu, and to compare them, it's literally the same. And I'm going to show you guys, they're the same thing. This is a big claim to say, but honestly, I feel like slowly, or shall I say pretty swiftly, Temu is like taking over Amazon and Shein. And I've heard even people say Wish. I like they're taking over. Of course, they're really popular right now. So one thing I want to say is that this video is not sponsored. This was not sent to me. I got this with my own money. And I did work with Temu in the past before. But in this video, I got so excited that I was like, you know what? I'm going to get some more because I love it that much. One of the items that I was saying that they're literally the same as Amazon are these smiley face slippers. So they look like this, and they have them in so many colors. The only thing is they sell out quick. So if they sell out, I would recommend that you put yourself on the notification list, and they'll let you know when it restocks. The only thing about Temu I noticed that's different compared to Amazon is that with Amazon, when something goes out of stock, it does come back in stock most of the time, depending what it is. But with Temu, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So just keep that in mind. But I can't complain. Like with Temu, if you want something, that's one thing I recommend is get it, because I can't guarantee it that it's going to be there for the next time around, you know? So here are the first slippers. I did an Amazon must-haves videos, and I showed you guys these slippers because these I actually got from Amazon. Guys, they're the same thing, like exact same thing. They feel the same. So of course I'm holding it next to each other. I can tell they're literally the same thing. And the difference is the price point. Amazon is $24. These were $10. Yes, you heard that right. A huge price difference. So these, I did these on Amazon. If you look for them, they are around 24. These, I love you too. These are like I said, 10. And I love these so much, guys. I'm addicted to these slippers. I'm not even kidding you. I was fighting temptations not to get them in more colors, but I did want to get these because they're so comfortable. You guys have to get these. They're like amazing. Really worth the hype. And then I had to get these as well. I just thought these were fun. And here's the thing, guys. I'm that type of person that whenever I have guests over, I like to have home slippers, so when they take their shoes off, they can wear my slippers. I don't get grossed out if my family wears slippers. I mean, I've heard people are like, oh my gosh, that's so gross. I don't really care. I share my slippers. If they come over, I will give it to my mom, my sisters, whatever. And I like to have extra where I can have them put it on and they can be cozy and warm. And I don't feel bad about it. They're $10, guys. You know, slippers. Everybody needs them. And I am, like I said, fighting temptations to get it in like the pink. There's one with the white face and the pink, the blue. There's one with the green. And I got in a 5/6 and they fit perfectly. I really love these. These are a hit, guys. I really wish you could see how nice and soft they are. This is a really nice soft material. It's nice and soft and warm on the inside right here. You literally feel like your feet is like just resting on a bed of cloud. It is so nice, the cushion. And then the cool thing about this is that you can use these outside if you want to take the mail, go for a walk. I usually use these for home, honestly, but you could because of the rub harder, more harder material. And then moving on to an Hermes-inspired scarf. Again, this one I saw on Amazon. I think it was Shade Whitney that talked about it. And she mentioned this one, the exact same color. And she said that this is literally like an Hermes like dupe or lookalike. It's a satin material. And I was like, oh my gosh, I just got this from Temu for $2. And I know Shein, if I'm not mistaken, not Shein, I'm sorry, Amazon, if I'm not mistaken, this is about $10 or $12. You get this for $2.18 on Temu. And they also have this one in the black, which I do want to get it. I got this because I thought it would be beautiful to like wrap it around one of my bags, or even use this as like a head cover, and also tie it around like that as a little nice cute scarf. For me personally, I think for sure I'm gonna use it around one of my bags. I really love this carriage, like horse and carriage. I love this, guys. I really want to get the black because it's so nice and soft, such great satin material. This is a hit, $2. You have to get this. And then moving on to some belts. I got all of these belts because I love them that much. So I seen these on Amazon, and I'm not kidding you, I was gonna get them I think last year, and they come in a pack of 4 for I believe like $18 or $16, but these belts are only $2 a piece, which is amazing. So here's the first one, and I believe they are one size fits all if I'm not mistaken, but they look like this. Here's the first one. I think that these are perfect for like the spring and summertime. And they have like a nice stretch to it. Just keep that in mind. So I really like that. I also got this one. So like I said, I got all 4 colors that they had them in. I got this one right here, which is a little bit lighter. And this one has like a round buckle. And this is more square. So there's that. I had to get this black one because you guys know I wear a lot of black. And I feel like I just love black in general. So this I thought I had to get. This one is round. Again, really nice material. It's like very nice and stretchy. And then the last one I also had to get because I thought this one was like a really cool statement belt. And it looks like this. I feel like this is perfect if you're going to go on vacation. It's such a fun print. So yeah, I got those for $2 a piece, guys. You cannot beat that. I feel like Amazon either needs to lower their prices, or I don't know what's going to happen, because here's the thing, guys. I still love Amazon. Don't get me wrong. I'm still going to shop at Amazon. But I am so blown away the fact that all of these pieces are available at Amazon for double to triple the price, and you get them on Temu for like close to nothing, which is so mind-blowing. I can't believe it. So that's the reason why, guys, I would highly recommend you check them out. FYI, I will have all the links down below in the description box, along with everything that I'm wearing. Just know if you're interested in the top that I'm wearing, this was like $8 at Target. They have them in multiple colors. I have all the colors. I love them that much. If you're interested in my bracelet, this is my favorite everyday bracelet now that I wear. This is a cross sterling silver bracelet. It is not plated. It's real sterling silver. My earrings, this is Amazon in a pack of 6. They're gold plating for like I think $12 for 6 of these, or $15. The lipstick, this is from Amazon. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the color Tease. It's a satin lipstick, one of my favorites. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just know I will have that link down below. So moving on to the last item that I have to show you. I saved the best for last. This is such a great haul, but I would have to say if I could pick one item that is my ultimate favorite, it would have to be this right here. It is this gorgeous sweater right here. So this one is a one size, but I would definitely say that this can fit like a size small up to probably an extra large or extra large, because it's a little bit more of a kind of like an oversized look. It's more boxy, and at the same time it's cropped. I'm 5'1", so it's not cropped on me. It depends on how tall you are, but I love this one because it truly is like a good one size fits most. I wouldn't say all, but most. So if you guys are wondering, that way you guys know if you should pick it up or not. But I really love this one. It's a little bit like not oversized, but I love that it still gives me that chunky oversized look, because this is super chunky. It's like a super chunky knit material. I have to say it's great quality. It's very nice and soft and luscious. I feel like I spent $1 million on this, but this one was probably the priciest one from all of them. I think this one was like $27, I think. But I had to get it. It sold out like 2 or 3 times before I was able to get it. And I was so glad that it came back in stock. And then I did get a notification that it came back in stock. So when it came back in stock, I got this one so fast. And then I think like a few days later, it sold out again. So I'm hoping that they're gonna bring it back for at least a while before it completely sells out, because this one is a very popular sweater. This was actually advertised on Instagram. Is the reason why I was like, oh my gosh, I seen it on the model and I was like, I have to get this. It is so beautiful. What really attracted me to this sweater is the fact that the strawberry is like really poofy and like it's out there. It's like a 3D strawberry sweater. I really love the sleeves, really nice and like really big, and then it's cinched in at the wrist right here. There aren't any strawberries in the back, but it is in the front, and I absolutely love this. This is so me. I have a thing for strawberries, especially the fact that my toddler's favorite fruit is strawberries, and it's just, I don't know, it's just something about it. I just love this. I just think it's so beautiful. Yeah, so I had to get this one, guys, and I think this is very well worth the money. Even though it was $27, I would have, like I said, it's a little bit more than all the other items that I got from Temu, but oh my gosh, once you feel this and touch it, like to see what great quality it is, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. It truly is worth the money. Look at that strawberry, the way it's like popped out. Oh, it's so beautiful. I know we're in the springtime, but I don't care. I got it anyways. That is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I know this wasn't like the biggest Temu haul I've done. I know I've done like really big hauls. I didn't get that much, but this is my haul for this time. But don't worry, you guys know I'm always going to keep bringing you guys more and more Temu videos. Temu is my new obsession. One of the most popular videos here on my channel are Walmart hauls and Temu. So you guys know I'm always gonna keep bringing those to you guys. So yeah, that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not. It is free. Make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Ciao.